Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's recipe. So guys, in today's recipe we are going to do roast chicken in a different fashion. I have a couple of recipes in my channel. I'm going to link all the recipes in the description box. Just feel free, go ahead and check them out. So guys, today I'm not going into details because I have those recipes and I'm going to link them in the description box. So first of all, after marinating my chicken, I want to pan fry them first before I put them into the oven. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching, and let's do this. When pan frying your chicken, comment down below, let me know how do you do it: medium done, well done, or do you just put your chicken in the oven? Just comment down below. Let's have a conversation because it's my honor also to try your recipe out. Okay, so guys, after pan frying it, I'm going to place them in a sheet, a baking sheet, which is lined with foil so that I can take them to the oven. So as you can see, that's all I'm doing, and I'm going to place them in the oven. So guys, see you on the next side, whereby I'm going to prepare the other accompaniments like the salads and some starch. So stay tuned so that you can see the accompaniment, the full accompaniments of this chicken. Okay, comment down below, let me know what do you normally like to have your chicken with, your roast chicken with. Comment down below, is it potatoes, what kind of potato? Let's just have that conversation in the comment section. Let me get to know how you like having your chicken. Okay guys, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that you can be among the first people who get notified anytime I get to post a new video.
I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
I'm done guys with the chicken. I will see you when it's ready. It's already in the oven. So I'm here in the sink preparing the lettuce so that I can make the salad of today. Comment down below, how do you have your lettuce? Like, how do you dry your lettuce when you have washed it? For me, I have this thing which normally dries the water completely. I try as much as possible to avoid serving lettuce with any water in it. We are going to our next ingredient for the salad. I'm going to use some bell peppers, that's yellow pepper, green pepper, and red pepper. I'm also going to use cucumber. Stay tuned so that you can see other ingredients because we are not done. So guys, these are the cucumbers. They're already cut. Comment down below, let me know how do you normally take your cucumbers, with seeds or without seeds. Comment down below, let me know. I would really love to know that. Okay, so guys, for the bell peppers, here they are. They have been cut into small cubes. These cubes have a name. They are called pruneaux. That is the cookery name. Okay guys, so that's something I have taught you today because this cut has a professional name. It's not just cubes, it has a professional name, and it is pruneaux. Comment down below, let me know, did you know about that? Did you know about that? Did you know that we have different cuts when it comes to the kitchen? Comment down below and let me know. To our next ingredient, we are going to use this sweet corn on our salad. So guys, I really don't know, like, how do you do your sweet corns? Do you do them as vegetables, like when you're making some vegetables, or just do them when you're doing salads? Yeah, so yeah, this is the next ingredient for the salad, and yeah, let's continue watching.
You're so pretty every day I'm thinking, baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do
guys, the moment for the chicken is here. So the chicken is ready. As you can see, it's well roasted and it looks good. It's well sealed and all that. It's intact. Everything looks good and delicious, yummy, and all those nice names. Yeah. So here I am serving it, and I can't wait, guys, for you to see what I am going to serve as the starch. Can you keep guessing down below? Let me know if you can guess it right. Yeah. Okay, guys, look at that, guys. Imagine that chicken. Yeah, it looks really amazing and good. So guys, yeah, let's continue watching.
I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty, everything thinking.
And yes, guys, you guessed it right. Yes, you said French fries, like chips. Yeah, chips is the starch of the day. So guys, everything is intact. The protein is ready, the salad is ready, the starch is ready. What else are we waiting for? See you at the dining area. Or do you have anything you want to tell me about this meal? Wait a minute. Before you comment, let's just head over to the dining area. Okay, guys? Okay? Comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe first, because this is the channel you need to have in your life. Okay, so guys, let me see you in the dining area.
But these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do
And of course, after that sumptuous meal, all I need to do is clean the dishes, and I call it a day. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming to watch my videos. Thank you so much for always clicking. I really do appreciate you for always stopping by to check on my content. So guys, until my next video, what do I say? Bye bye.